Why technical writing is important. 1. It's a good job and a good career. If you are a writer trying to get a writing job that pays better than a number of other writing niches and for which there is a great demand, technical writing might be your career solution. 2. There is a great demand for technical writing today. The production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services depend on it. How this is done is a basic question in all industries and sectors, in a world where goods and services are getting more complicated and high-tech by the day. Someone needs to explain how to use gadgets and systems. We call that person a technical writer. 3. Technical writing is through public service. Unlike playing a musical instrument, it's something you wouldn't do for yourself and solely for your own pleasure. A technical document is always written for someone else, the client, the public. Without tech writers, millions of people would start to make costly errors. Ultimately, technical writing is the last defense of the consuming public against chaos and confusion. Show me a sector of the economy, and I'll show you a growing field of opportunity for technical writing. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. Many thanks for watching.